Welcome to Kannada Media's Banking Weekly Roundup. This week saw a range of developments across the banking sector, from workplace related concerns and internal governance issues to important regulatory updates and policy discussions. At the ground level, employee related matters and operational challenges remained on focus, while regional rural banks witnessed both performance highlights and emerging concerns around staff conditions and institutional practices. Here are the key updates.
Bank of Baroda HR and governance concerns. All India Bank of Baroda Officers Union raised strong objections to the HR Connect transfer preference mandate, calling it restrictive and unclear. The union also flagged broader HR and governance concerns to the bank's CEO, highlighting issues related to transparency and employee treatment. Indian Overseas Bank transfers amid ongoing case. Senior IOB officials were transferred during an ongoing SCST related case, with sources raising questions over the timing of the move. The development has drawn attention to administrative decisions and their implications during sensitive proceedings. Punjab National Bank Weekend Recovery Directive. Punjab National Bank issued instructions for staff in Aligarh Circle to work during weekends for NPA recovery. The move has sparked discussions on workload, work life balance, and operational pressure. Union Bank and UCO Bank performance. Union Bank reported growth in Q4 FY26 while reducing 75,000 crore of high cost deposits. The move reflects efforts to improve cost efficiency and balance sheet quality. UCO Bank reported improved financial performance for FY 25-26 with growth in profitability, business expansion, and asset quality. The results indicate strengthening fundamentals in the bank. AIBA Conference Developments. All India Bank Employees Association's 30th conference highlighted youth participation and key banking issues including policy concerns and sectoral challenges. The Mahagujarat Bank Employees Association and Maharashtra State Bank Employees Federation backed the leadership and condemned disruptions during the event. Paytm Payments Bank RBI action. Reserve Bank of India moved to shut down Paytm Payments Bank, citing regulatory concerns, marking a major development in the fintech space. Paytm stated that its operations remain unaffected, while AIBA raised concerns regarding the payments, bank model, and regulatory approach. ICICI Bank Governance and Regulatory Action. Prashant Bhushan wrote to the RBI opposing the reappointment of ICICI Bank's CEO, citing governance and compliance concerns. Separately, the RBI Ombudsman pulled up ICICI Bank and SBFC Finance for co-lending irregularities and ordered compensation. Federal Bank misconduct concerns. Federal Bank employee and officer unions flagged alleged misconduct during a Port Blair event, raising concerns over professionalism and workplace standards. The issue gained traction on social media, intensifying scrutiny. Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank performance. Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank shares rose following a strong Q4 performance, with profit growth and dividend announcement boosting investor confidence. FBOIOA Welfare Initiative. The Federation of Bank of India Officers Association launched an ex gratia relief scheme to support families of deceased officers, focusing on employee welfare and financial security. The initiative aims to provide immediate assistance during difficult times and reflect growing emphasis on structured support systems within unions. It also highlights the role of officer associations in strengthening social security measures beyond formal benefits. RBI policy and financial system updates. RBI announced the implementation of expected credit loss framework from April 2027, marking a shift in risk assessment practices. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman also held discussions with bank heads on managing AI related risks in the financial sector. Odisha Gramin Bank Malliposi incident clarifications by bank and unions. An incident at Odisha Gramin Bank's Malliposi branch went viral after claims that a skeleton was brought to the bank. The SCST Employee Welfare Council and Officers Association clarified it was a claim settlement case, stating facts were misrepresented and urging the public not to draw premature conclusions. RRB agitation and policy issues. All India Regional Rural Bank Employees Association announced nationwide agitation over service conditions, while employees raised concerns over vacancies, promotions, transfers, and regularization issues. These developments highlight ongoing structural and HR challenges across RRBs. RRB employee challenges. Employees of Jammu and Kashmir Grameen Bank raised concerns over deductions, denied allowances, and post amalgamation issues. The case reflects ongoing financial and administrative challenges faced by staff. RRB performance update. West Bengal Grameen Bank reported strong financial performance with 437 crore profit and stable asset quality indicating positive growth trends in the sector.
That's all for this week's Banking Roundup. Stay tuned with Kanal Media for more updates and developments that matter to bankers.